Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're working on pop-up. We fixed a leak in the water lines, and now the gentleman would like to get the top up, maybe another 1/4 3/8 of an inch. And this has a lift system I've never seen on before. I didn't know there was this type. I know about Goshen. I can't think of the other one. I will find it and I will put the name of that one up here. I just looked on the internet. I can't find anything but Goshen. But this is something different. This is electric, and I'm going to assume it has some kind of physical or electric stops in the system that keeps the top from going up any higher, because he's having trouble getting these door in. He said if he could get the top up another 3/8 of an inch, it would sure make it a lot easier to get the door in. And the fabric's tight. That's kind of like I'd like to see them, but there is a little bit of there's a little room to adjust it. So there's a cover under here, because all the mechanisms in this one little cover, and then of course your cables come out of there and go to each corner. But I'm going to pull that cover off and see what's in there, because I'm curious, and I hope y'all are too. See, it looks to me like all of our mechanisms up here in this little cover. It's only, gosh, it ain't even 3 feet long. And of course, then out of that come our 4 cables. Here's the electric motor that actually raises it. So let's get this cover off here and see what we see, because we won't know what we can see until we can see what we can see, right? Here's what I find. There's a mechanical stop right here. So this cable here is just about completely out of adjustment. These two have some adjustment. This one here is pretty close. So there's so little adjustment on this one right here, I don't think it's enough to make any difference. The customer and I have discussed it. There's so little adjustment on this one. And to be honest with you, I'll go up here and show you why I really don't want to adjust these cables. Because I think the fabric is tight enough. The fabric over here on the side, well, I'll show you up here in a minute. Just hang tight. Let me get this cover back on. Oh, yeah. Can somebody tell me what the name of this lift system? What the name of this lift system? What the name of lift? Golly, words are hard. What's the name of this lift system? And here is why I don't really want to adjust that little bit of adjustments left. Because as you know, these cables and these things are just completely overtaxed. They are at their limit. Now, it's a sunny day. Today's cool. Still got my jacket on. But this fabric on this side is much looser than it was when I got here. But if we go over here on the shady side, it is exactly how I would adjust it if we just put new cables on this and we were adjusting this for the very first time. This fabric is, like I say, it's perfect. That's exactly where I would want it. So what I'm afraid of is if we adjust that, take that last little adjustment up on those cables, and he sets this thing up on a 90-degree day, hey, you know, it's going to be great. the door will go in fine. But then he decides to take it hunting this fall, sets it up on a 40-degree day. The fabric shrunk, afraid to break a cable. So yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. So that's why I do not want to adjust this thing today. Just because it's only in the 40s here right now, high 40s or whatever, sunny, but yeah, I'm just not going to do it. And we've discussed, me and the customer discussed it. He agrees with me because he says sometimes the door goes in great, sometimes it doesn't. So I'd say it's a temperature thing. Hey, don't forget, we want to start using Hillbilly RV Facebook community for questions and stuff like that. That way, that'll give some of my RV techs a chance to answer those questions, because I got some great RV techs on this channel. A lot of knowledge, a lot of years of experience, and those guys can help me answer questions, because I'm just getting to the point where I can't answer these really long email questions. I appreciate those questions, I really do, but you know, the channel's growing to a point where, you know, there's getting to be a lot of emails, and I'm getting busy. It's getting to be my busy season. So let's start using the Facebook community to pose those questions. And all you RV techs, hey, you got an idea to answer a question, jump in there, chime in, help me out. So I'm gonna go up the road and fix another one. Y'all have a fantastic day. No, I didn't really fix this one. We fixed the water leak, but yeah, just reluctant to adjust those cables. I'll catch y'all later.